This was our largest team. Topside, dive team, and then of course support. And we probably had around 30 people on a given day, here or there moving around, and also including the Filipino crew that was always moving pieces. And you never know how that's going to all play out. That's a large dynamic. Everybody figured out a role for themselves eventually. Topside team had a rhythm, dive team had a rhythm, and it was kind of yin and yang. And that's a credit to the people that showed up.